Today we're going to make our very own sound cylinders. Do you remember seeing these at school? Well, we're going to make our own at home. First, you'll need toilet paper rolls, 6 of them to be exact, cardstock, 3 different types of dry foods. I chose chickpeas, rice, and lentils, tape, a marker or pencil, and a pair of scissors that I forgot to put there. Next, what you're going to do is trace the circles of the toilet paper rolls onto the cardstock. So if there are 2 sides on each toilet paper roll, and we have 6 toilet paper rolls in total, how many circles do we need? That's right, 12. 6 toilet paper rolls times 2 sides equals 12. So we need 12 circles. After tracing all 12 circles, you need to cut them out. Take your time, and if the circles are slightly larger than the toilet paper roll, that's okay. Now take your circle and place it on top of the toilet paper roll and cover it up with tape. You want to cover it up so that there are no holes poking through. Otherwise, the dry food will fall right out, and we don't want that. You're going to repeat this process with all of the toilet paper rolls. Just cover one side with circles first. Once that's done, we're going to take 2 rolls for the rice, 2 rolls for the chickpeas, and 2 rolls for the lentils and fill them up. You don't want to fill it up too much, but enough for you to be able to shake your sound cylinders. After you've finished filling them up halfway, cover one roll with lentils, one roll with chickpeas, and one roll with rice, and set the other 3 aside. It's painting time. The sound cylinders at our school are blue and red, so I decided to paint one set blue, and this set will be red. Let them dry before you work with them. Here comes the fun part. They don't sound the same. They sound the same. They sound the same. We did it, Kazas. We made our very own sound cylinders. Show us a picture of your sound cylinders. Have fun!